My name is Kenneth Gitz. I've been the mayor of the city of Woodruff for eight years, really.
My name's Lee Bailey, and I've been the city manager for the city of Woodruff for the past 7 years.
Oh man, if you hadn't been to the city of Woodruff, you need to get there.
It's about partnerships. I mean, our partnerships with investors and developers is where we start. We go out, we find interesting parties, and then we become partners with them. And each partnership's different. I think every job's different, every development's different. And our approach has always been to customize what the need is, if there is a need, and then come up with a solution to become a partner and bring a project to fruition. So you've got the local investment such as that, and then the large investment with BMW that's under construction and on the horizon. So we started with downtown. We see a lot more happening downtown.
So we're really, really excited. We think it's going to, put us on a whole nother level of the growth. But most of all, it's going to give our kids opportunity, economic development to grow. If they want to choose to go to another level, that's what BMW is going to bring to the city of Woodruff.
I never did think I would hear so many people coming to Woodruff in German. That project was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I mean, it really is for our community, and it's been a blessing. It's been exciting to see the growth. It's been a challenge, but it creates memories. It creates opportunities for the grandchildren, for your children to live in Woodruff, to work in Woodruff with a high-quality job. And that's something our community had never had.
Well, with everything that's going on in the city of Woodruff, it's going to benefit our citizens today, our future citizens that's coming into the city of Woodruff. It's going to benefit the businesses also, so we're kind of excited about that, what we got going on right now. We're looking forward to the future.